Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Reggie Winston with another video. We're going to talk about beards today. We're going to walk through edging up beards and sculpting beards. If you haven't already, check out the other videos from this series. Part 1 and Part 2 on how to fade. Part 3 was how to finish the fade. We also talked about how to edge up a hairline. And today we're going to edge up a beard and we're going to sculpt the beard. As you see, I'm combing everything close to the ear. I'm combing it back towards the ear and the back of his neck, and I'm going to edge it up that way. At this point, I flip the trimmer over and I'm pinching and pulling at the line where the beard is. Look, now you can only do what the beard allows you to do, and I'm just kind of looking at his beard and see how much he's grown it. I chose, and with my decision making, I decided to go to the corner of his lip, try to keep the beard wide as possible, but also nice and contour his face. And I'm cleaning up all the stuff off his cheeks. But my reference point is the corner of the lip and to the top of the ear. And we do have it blended in closer to the fade. Here you get to see me do what I was saying. I comb the hair down, get all the scraggly stuff that's poking out to the side. You don't want to dig into this and take it closer to the nose. You want to keep it close to the ear as possible, but still give it a sharp, nice line. The grow back is going to look good on this because I didn't take too much off his beard. Just clean up around the ear, man. People wearing masks all the time, man. You don't want to leave that hair around the ear. So I comb the hair down. I'm gonna pinch and pull from my reference point corner of the lip, cleaning off some of the stuff on the cheek, but hitting that line, bumping that line, and I'm taking it all the way to the ear. And I remember the width on the other side by the ear, and I remember my reference point was the corner of the lip. So I'm going to do the same thing there on this side. I haven't did any enhancements. I haven't hit with a razor, and it's already looking nice and groomed and clean. It's just little pieces of hair right here around that mouth, man. That stuff get in the side of your mouth. So I wanted to comb that down a little bit and fix that. Again, I comb the mustache down. I'm going to tap the top line first. You always do the top line of the lip before you do the top line of the mustache. If you do the top line of the lip and you make a mistake, you can kind of correct that with the top line of the mustache. If you do the top line of the mustache first, there's no room for error on that lip. So that's why I like to do the top of the lip first. Then I go and do the top of the mustache. I'm going to do the other side, the same thing. I'm going to leave everything under the bottom lip natural. I'm going to tap that top of that lip. Clean the corners a little bit right in there. Yep. Make sure nothing sticks out or sticks in his mouth. And I flip that trimmer over. I'm going to pinch and pull right at the top of that line for the mustache. Try to make it even as possible with the other side. He's not picky, so I kind of get to do what I want, whatever my professional opinion is on this. And I think this looks good on him. Keeping the mustache thick so we'll minimize the grow back. And we run it to like a triangle shape into his nostrils. I'm going to run over here real quick. I thought I had a pick, but I'm going to get a pick. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for following us and following me. This is the Better Barber channel. Together we make barbers better. This is a community, and it's a community because you make it a community. So please, if you have any questions or comments, drop those down in the comment section below. I'm taking my time detangling this beard. He's been wearing a mask. You got to detangle it. Then I'm going to follow it up with some oil. I'm going to moisturize the skin up under this beard. Oil is for the skin. Balm is for the hair. You want to put moisture on the skin and on the beard, all right? And another good thing about this beard oil is going to allow me to slide and glide with the razor a little bit easier. It won't be just a dry shave. It's going to be a little bit of protection and lubrication for when I do the razor work. But just really rubbing that beard oil in there, man. It's really trying to make it get to that skin to keep the skin from being dry. Then we're going to get the pick again and pick it back out. As I'm rubbing the beard, just remember the Better Barber podcast is on all streaming platforms. So we have been rated top 10 barber podcasts in the world. So thank y'all for your support and voting for us and really pushing us and sharing us with your friends. Do the same for these YouTube videos, all right? I appreciate that. So I'm going to grab this pick again. This pick is a Cricut pick. I like this pick. I got it from one of the beauty supply stores. I can't remember, but this is a static free pick, so it really glides through the hair without creating friction and static and being, you know, making all those crazy sounds and snagging at the beard. I really like this pick, but I want to really get all up under this beard. I really want to pick it out good so I can sculpt it good. As you see, it's thicker and full at the chin, and it's closer at the side, close to his jawline and his neck and his ear. And we're just going to really just continue with that style and that look. I'm going to grab my clippers, I'm going to close them, and I'm going to adjust his head so I can get under there. Don't be afraid to move your client's head. We work in a career where, you know, you can actually touch people's head and manipulate it in a manner that nobody else can. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to just follow the line of this jawline, but also try to keep some volume at the beard. With my clipper being closed, I don't mind if I even edge part of it up on the neck. But I know it has to be graduated closer to the skin and to the face, near the ear, but it gets larger and more volume at the chin. And I'm doing the bottom of it first, getting anything that's sticking out, looking crazy, and just really giving it some shape so he look groomed. I'm going to stand behind him, and I'm going to look beyond the beard to see if anything's sticking out. And I'm just going straight down on this side of his face so the beard won't be like really wide, but it'll still be nice and bold and strong. And I do that for the front of the beard too, by the chin. Do you have a beard? Are you grooming your own beard? If so, let me know. What do you think about these techniques? If you're learning something, please let me know what you learned. Or if you have any more questions, like I said, please drop that in the comments below. This beard is already looking good. The following video will be using enhancements, so please, if you haven't already, please subscribe and give us that consideration, that subscription, and so you can stay in tune. If you haven't already seen all the other videos from this series, we do have 2 videos on how to start a fade, how to finish a fade, and how to do an edge up on the hairline. And now I'm just marrying the beard line with the hairline. So thank you for your support. My name is Reggie Winston, the Better Barber. Together we make barbers better. Thank you for being a part of this community. And yeah, see you on the next video.